let's think about someone who has a salary of say 50-60,000
Correct.
rupees. वो लोग 10,000 rupees की SIP कर रहे हैं.
तो उनको स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए, दिमाग नहीं लगाना
How
चाहिए
do you start?
इंडेक्स फंड में.
Index fund में कैसे डालते हैं?
आप किसी भी ऐप पे जाओ, म्यूचुअल फंड कंपनी के ऐप पे जाओ और इंडेक्स फंड लिखा हुआ रहता है नाम,
Okay.
निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स फंड.
Can you name some apps for us?
ऑनलाइन ऐप्स
Zerodha.
जीरोधा, ग्रो, ईटी मनी, बहुत सारे हैं.
Okay. And then you go and आप index fund में.
बस निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स फंड नाम ही है, निफ्टी 50 द बेस्ट 50 कंपनीज ऑफ इंडिया. आप उसमें डाल के स्टार्ट करो.
Okay.
एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट हो गया आपका. प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आप उसको कितना लंबा चलाते हो, जितना लंबा चलाओगे उतना आपको रिजल्ट दिखेगा. बट मोस्ट पीपल दे स्टॉप इन फर्स्ट 2-3 years. अगर मार्केट जाते हैं उनको लगता है अभी मार्केट जा रहे हैं, अभी बंद कर दो. दे कांट सी रिस्क.
In my case personally, we are invested in real estate and mutual funds.
म्यूचुअल फंड्स.
So there was a lot of conversation in family and friends about direct equity, which is stocks, right? That this stock grew by 200% or, you know, itna return aa gaya and I told you to buy this, or there was this discussion and, you know, that for 5 minutes you feel like, arey, even I should have done this. You know, along with mutual funds, I should have also bought some stocks. Anyways, I was putting money aside month by month. Why didn't I put some percent of that? Even 10% I could have put into direct stocks. But something that helps me and because this is dinner table conversation now,
Yes.
right? And I think today, especially the stock market is dinner table conversation because people have made enormous amounts of money, right? We've seen in our circles, we've seen lifestyles change. We've seen entire caste change
Yes.
overnight because of just the money that the stock market has made people.
Correct.
But something that I keep reminding myself is that this is not my job, right? Like, this is my job. Creating content is my job. Understanding the digital economy of India is my job. Understanding the power of social media is my job. If I start trading in stocks or, you know, किसी और के knowledge पे मैंने अपना पैसा लगा दिया, I'm making a mistake because that's not where I should be spending my time, right? Like you said, it's all about time.
You have said $1 million statement, right? $1 million. You are best at something, and if you focus your lives, your skills on there, you will make 100x money out of there. दुनिया में हमें सब काम जानना जरूरी नहीं है, बट हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि किस काम के लिए कौन सही है. So suppose if I have to create content tomorrow, if I try, I'll take 10 years. But if I come and seek your help, I'll do in 6 months because I'm leveraging on your experience, right? What you are doing, 90% people don't think. उनको लगता है कि पैसा तो मैं खुद मैनेज कर सकता हूँ, which you didn't. Generally what happens, 90% of our friends, we say, even if you are coming to me, you will not make money because you have 10 other advisors, your families, your friends. वो आपको लगेगा मासूम क्या तुम म्यूचुअल फंड में डाल दो, डायरेक्ट स्टॉक इतना अच्छा है उसमें डाल दो, and you'll get swayed by it. I'm glad you didn't get swayed. You were focused and you said, no, I'm happy this. But लोग पैसा निकाल के फिर स्टॉक्स में डाल देते हैं, क्रिप्टो में डाल देते हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज में डाल देते हैं, बिकॉज उनको लगता है हम फास्ट बना सकते हैं. ग्रीड इज अ फैक्टर that you know makes you kind of go away from your plan, right? मैंने आज पिछले 15 साल में क्यों कैसे ये वेल्थ बनाई है मासूम, बिकॉज आई जस्ट हैड दैट बिग हेडेड डिसिप्लिन. My money is around 18% return for the last, let's say, 15 years. Even if you come tomorrow and tell me, Gajendra, I have a wonderful company and stock which will give you 25%, and I'm giving you guarantee, I'm still not going to touch it.
Why?
Because I'm happy with 15 to 18% return. I know this is in my control. Forget your mutual funds or equities. The maximum money you can earn is by your own skills, by what you're doing. Nobody can beat you that. Today, whatever you're earning, what stops you earning 100x from this level? Nothing. What stops me from taking my company to 100x from here? Nothing. So the best investment in the world is you will make through investing in yourself and the business that you're doing. What we are doing right now through mutual funds or equities is the next best investment, second best investment. And you can't compare the returns of the two. You are here with the investment that you spend investing in yourself, the next best will be this one. Today, even after 20 years, I'm spending 3 hours on knowledge. Every day for 3 hours. Because of knowledge, I'm able to last long. I'm able to come this far. So you have to invest in skills. The second best is mutual funds or equities where you're earning 18-20% return. But this can never become your number one. this can never become. There are a lot of people who think this way. People have stopped doing their businesses now. People in last 3-4 years in COVID, a lot of people have stopped their business and focusing full time on equities. That's a blunder they're doing. They have only seen one-way market. They've not seen the market crash. And
everything that goes up has to come down.
has to come down. Market has a wonderful way of teaching everybody a lesson. The day you think you begin the markets, you're doomed. So I always feel I'm a student of the market. And that's why I'm happy with 15, 17%, 18% return, because it's in my control. So that's why anything that comes, anybody who comes and tell me 22, 25, my mind switches off.
Because you think there's...
If it is too good to be true, it is not true. अगर ये 22% होता, वो मुझसे आके बोलो सारी दुनिया को पता होना चाहिए था. How come we have just figured it out today after 20 years, right?
So, you know, on this point, what I also want to say is that what has really helped me with the SIP concept is that I'm not looking at the market.
It brings discipline in you.
It brings discipline.
Yes.
It brings a discipline of saving and investing. It's not even about ke, you know, market mein itne paise kamaye, or it's frankly, yes, the goal is very important, but it is a matter of discipline. It is a matter of every month, no matter what, you have that commitment, and you know that's going towards your future. And that has changed my entire attitude on looking at money.
Correct.
Right? I feel so much more confident in the decisions I'm making in my business, because I know that, you know, like without, you know, as a couple, Sheldon and I, you know, we made a huge financial decision right now. But why could we make it? We could make it because we had this security. We could make it because we had the last 4 years where we've been disciplined. So I almost believed in myself, right? Like when I was calling you, I believed that, you know, even if I'm taking a risk right now, you know, even if I'm taking a financial risk, to some extent, I believe in my discipline. I believe in myself that no matter what, I will make sure my future is secured.
Correct.
And I am confident to share this today is because I was the absolute opposite before.
Okay.
You know, I was, when I came to you, I was the absolute opposite. I was so nervous. I would earn money and I would spend it on, you know, frivolous. Now my friends and even my mom, she says, why don't you, you know, which you will say is not a good thing, but she says that why don't you spend your money? But because I've been on the other end of the spectrum, I've seen so many instances around me where, you know, there's been frivolous spending, and when the time came, the money was not there, you know, when it was needed.
जब आज आप hard earned money कमा रहे हो, I would like you to spend, right? But you have to make a balance, मासूम. ऐसा नहीं कि सारा spend आज कर दो and then I'll think about today. What you're doing today is a balance. You're saving a decent amount of money or investing a decent, and you're saving also. See, money gives you confidence. You know, a good health, a good body, good money in the bank or investment gives you confidence. You can walk away from the deals or situations you don't like.
But there is a misconception here,
Okay.
which is people believe that wearing the money gives you confidence. And I've lived both lives. You know, I have spent, for that first 5 years when I was earning money, I spent it all on myself or things I was buying for myself, and it did not make me confident. But actually investing the money has given me skyrocketing confidence.